A curse is a warning and a wish to inflict adversity upon an enemy. Using supernatural powers like a mantra, a prayer, or a magic spell, as in Harry Potter. It forms part of many cultures around the world. From Greek and Roman curses to Celtic curses, African American voodoo to Mediterranean evil eye curse, from German hexing to the Indian shrap. While Hindu religion is not unique in its repertoire of curses, there are enough meritorious instances that deserve recall and mention. Here are some of the most famous curses in Hinduism. Welcome to our YouTube channel, The Time Tales. Valmiki's Curse. Sage Valmiki is walking on the banks of river Tamsa, pondering how to start writing the epic Ramayana, when he observes two cranes in love. Even as he moved by the tranquility of the moment, a wild arrow from a hunter's bow comes rushing through the air and strikes at the heart of the male bird. Even as the bird dies in agony, the female bird, filled with sorrow, dies of shock. Valmiki is taken back by this sudden turn of events. Consumed by passion and rage, Valmiki curses the hunter. But he surprised himself by delivering the curse in lyrical prose. Manishad pratishtham tvam game, shashvati samaha. Yat kroncham mithunadekam avdi, kam mohitam. Which means, may you live restless for eternity, for you killed an unsuspecting bird in love. That was the genesis of the Hindu epic Ramayana. The curse of Parshurama. Karna, half-brother to Pandavas and son of Surya, was raised by a low-caste charioteer. He came to Parshurama after being rejected by Drona due to his perceived caste. Karna lied that he was a Brahmin, so that Parshurama would accept him as a student and give him knowledge of the powerful Brahmastra weapon. One day, Parshurama was sleeping with his head resting on lap of Karna when a honeybee bit Karna. In spite of the pain of the insect bite, Karna neither flinched or cried, so his guru's sleep would not be disturbed. When Parshurama learnt of it, he was convinced that only a Kshatriya could have borne such pain in silence and thus realized the lie of Karna. He therefore cursed his student that his knowledge of Brahmastra would fail him when he would need it the most. Indeed, it failed him, and he died at the hands of Arjuna so that Dharma would prevail. Sage Durvasa's curse on Shakuntala. In the childhood stories recounted by my grandmother, Durvasa Muni assumed a larger-than-life persona, thanks to his anger and the curses he heaped on the unsuspecting. According to the Abhigyan Shakuntalam, the most famous of his curses was the one he inflicted on Shakuntala. Because, lost in her daydreams about her lover King Dushyant, she forgot to receive the Muni with the respect due to guests. The sage cursed her that because of her inhospitality, the person in her dreams would forget her. When a distraught Shakuntala pleaded with him, the sage reduced the intensity of the curse by suggesting that her lover would remember her once she showed him his ring. What follows in the intervening period is the legend of Shakuntala. Such is the life-changing power of mere curse. Bhrigu Acharya's curse on Vishnu. The Matsya Purana tells a story about the perpetual wars between Devas and Asuras. The Devas would always end up beating the Asuras. Humiliated, Shukracharya, guru of the Asuras, decided to approach the Shiva to obtain the Mrit Sanjeevani Strota or mantra to make Asuras invincible. He, meanwhile, asked the Asuras to take refuge at the ashram of his father Bhrigu. The Devas found the absence of Shukracharya a most opportune time to attack the Asuras once again. However, Bhrigu himself being away, the Asuras sought his wife's help. Using her powers, she rendered Indra immobile. Indra in return appealed to Lord Vishnu to get rid of her. Vishnu obligated by serving her head with his Sudarshana Chakra. When sage Bhrigu saw what had happened to his wife, he cursed that Vishnu be born on earth several times and suffer the pains of worldly life. Hence, Vishnu took birth on earth in the form of avatars. Friends, how do you like this story? Tell us in the comment box, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such interesting knowledge. Thank you.